in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey into life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. The dawn of a new nation marked the promise of great freedom. This spirit of freedom, exploration, and aspiration has inspired generations of Americans to innovate, endeavor, and persevere. We continue to chart new courses to make the impossible possible as we strive to create a more perfect union. Join us in exploring the impact of freedom and innovation as we embark on a journey of life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future. Rockets that powered Americans to move the dawn and the beginning of our civil rights. It continues from personal memory and internet fusion nearly instantaneously. There are 3.2 billion computers built into the smartphones that sit in the pockets and homes of people everywhere. Immediate access to information has created a new world that continues to change the way we live, conduct business, and envision tomorrow. Freedom affords us the opportunity to dream. Alexander Graham Bell's telephone single-handedly changed the language of human contact, along with our perception of the modern world, bridging distances that had once kept us separated. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, Nikola Tesla illuminated the world as audiences witnessed a new technology, the alternating current, another American invention that now electrifies our world. Modern mobility arrived when the Ford Motor Company revealed the Model T assembly line. The car was now within reach for many, bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence of the jet age. Air travel changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another. The dawn of the space age brought new perspective. The Saturn V raised the hands of people around the globe, envisioned pieces of Earth. The next generation vision was how we need to make it.
I was named Times Kid of the Year, Foster the World.